Hey everybody, I just wanted to pop on for two quick announcements. First, I hope you're going to join us for our live 10,000 subscribers celebration this Sunday at 6 p.m. Eastern Daily Time. I'll put a link for that below. We're going to have Q&A. My sisters are going to be here. Bring your drinks, your snacks. We're going to hang out, and we're going to have a huge inventory blowout sale. We're going to have prices slashed up to 75%. I really need to clean out that inventory room. We have new items, open box items, and discontinued items that'll all be on sale. So come and join us. The second announcement is, I don't know if you noticed this wig, but this is Zeal by Noriko. It's a new wig. It's in the color lilac, silver rooted. It's really pretty. I really love this style too. And they have, I think it's 4 new styles, and I will be doing reviews on them. But we've added Noriko, Amore, Renee of Paris, Alexandra Couture, Orchid, and Muse. I don't know if I said all of them right. But anyway, head over to frannieshair.com. They're all on sale at 30% off right now through tomorrow evening. These wigs will not be part of the inventory sale since they're new brands to us. Okay, I hope everybody is having a great start to their weekend, and I hope to see you on Sunday. Thanks so much, everybody. Bye.